Do you need to get wiring up onto your roof? I'm going to tell you about the fast, inexpensive, and easy way I found to route my wiring up to my roof-mounted lights. I've seen people talk about taking apart bits of their interior trim in order to route lighting, even tearing out the headliner, going up through the roof rail somehow, or even drilling a hole in the roof to get wiring up there. That's a lot of work, and then what if you eventually need to change the configuration of what you have on your roof or add additional lights up there? You're going to go through all that again? When I first added lighting to my roof, I actually ran the wires up along this channel between the windshield and the A-pillar. There was just enough space to get some wires up there, and I just used some black silicone to seal it in. It looked reasonably tidy and stayed put very well, and it was easy to do. Then I broke my windshield. After the windshield was replaced, I knew I didn't want to run the wires back up that channel again, both in case something happened to the windshield again, or also I realized if I wanted to change anything in the future with the lighting, add more lighting, I needed something that was going to be a bit more flexible. Then I found these. This is the MagDaddy small magnetic cable tie mount. It's basically just a tiny but powerful magnet equipped with a tie down point for attaching a zip tie. I've used them to route wiring up to my roof without any complicated teardown of the interior or drilling through any body panels. They are remarkably strong. You don't have to worry about getting these on perfectly with these things aligned perfectly, because the mounting point actually swivels within the base. So no matter how you stick that on there, you can line this up however you need to. The two heat shrink wrap bundles of wires you see going up here currently bring power to my Auxbeam light bar, power to my air compressor, which is mounted in my roof box. There's also the wire for my GMRS radio antenna, and I have an extra set of wires going up, which I plan in advance to put lights on the back of the car. The only drilling I've done is down through this cowling panel that brings the wires right down into the engine compartment. I've had this on here for several months now, and these things have simply not budged, with 10 pounds of hold for each magnet, and I've got 6 of them on there holding this bundle of wires. It seems to be more than strong enough. The wind doesn't even come close, and I've caught into plenty of branches and stuff like that on narrow trails, and nothing has made this budge. I realize sticking a little magnet on your paint like that may be disconcerting for some of you who maybe have a newer vehicle. My car gets used and abused out on the trail. My paint can get more damaged in a 5-minute drive up a Central Oregon trail than these things will ever do. These do come in different sizes and strengths, so you can find them they're a little bit bigger with a stronger magnet if you need it. I don't have any affiliation with MagDaddy. When I had the idea to look for a magnetic solution, this is what I came across, which I found on a website with various supplies for IT wiring, industrial wiring, and stuff like that. I will put a link in the description below. Considering how small these are, I was surprised that a 10-pack cost this much, but ultimately it was a great value because it saved me a ton of trouble and gives me the ability to change up my wiring going up to the roof at any point that I need to, just by snipping off the cable ties and replacing the wiring as needed. After I had already purchased and installed these, a friend told me about a product made by KC Lights, I think, that somehow creates a channel for wiring running up along your windshield in a sort of low profile way. And that looks like that may be an interesting solution also. I will put a link to that also in the description in case this solution doesn't make as much sense to you. While I realize this may not be the perfect solution for everyone, I'm really happy I found these. They worked out very well for me, and I hope you found this useful or interesting. Thanks for watching.